Hallo Klasse Schüler, heute lernen wir von Arbeitsbuch Seite Nummer 66 Wiederholungsübungen Model Test Paper 2. Frage 1. Ergänzen Sie Personalpronomen. Now this is a combination of all personal pronomens in nominative, accusative and dative. So let me solve you one example for you. Nummer 9. Jetzt verabschiedet sich von ihr. Morgen trifft sie wieder. Sich verabschieden is to take a leave. He is taking leave from her. Erika, the girl name they have given, she is a she. So for sie, the personal pronoun in dative is ihr. Verabschieden von takes dative case. Verb with fixed preposition. Morgen trifft Tomorrow he is gonna meet. Okay, this he is going to meet her. Treffen takes accusative, so Erika becomes here accusative sie. So for this, all the revision of all three cases, nominative, accusative, dative, which we have learned till now, is very important. Jetzt machen wir Frage 2. Ergänzen Sie Adjektiv Endungen. Adjective ending tables we have learned. So same 10 examples they have given. Let me read one for you. Der Preis neuen Kleides ist hoch. The price of new cloth. This is a genitive case. Das Kleid. So that's why in genitive, adjective ending is en. So genitive case for neutral column, en ending, and the noun text es ending. Okay. Nummer Frage 3. Ergänzen Sie passende Wechselpräposition. So Wechsel prepositions we have learned. So for example, one I will solve for you. Ich sitze auf dem Sofa. I am sitting on the table. So you sit horizontal on. So the preposition we have used is auf. Frage 4. Bilden Sie Nebensätze. Using all these conjunctions, total they have given, yes, 10 sentences. Okay. So number 9 I will read for you. Ich kann das nicht machen. I cannot do that. Ich habe keine Lust. I'm not interested. I don't have any interest. So first sentence as it is. I'm not doing that, comma, while, because ich keine Lust habe. Verb goes am Ende in case of while. Okay. Frage 5 is relative z's. 2 sentences they have given to combine. Okay, so total 10 sentences. Let me read one for you. Der Stuhl ist ganz neu. The chair is quite new. Ich sitze auf dem Stuhl, on which I am sitting on the chair. Der Stuhl, comma, auf dem ich sitze, on that I sit, ist ganz neu. The same sentence you can write like this also. Der Stuhl ist ganz neu, comma, auf dem ich sitze. Both the ways are richtig. Okay. Now, in Frage 8, you are supposed to write, from Frage 6, mein Haus, dann meine Familie, meine Schule, mein Tagesablauf means my daily routine, and Deutschland. So about this you have to write essay, Funsen silent. So 15 sentences minimum you have to write. So this I am not going to provide you ready-made. This you have to write and you have to send me for a checking. So student, this was our model test paper 5. Danke.